team, can you believe that we are in week 5? I can't believe it. I hope you're finding this time to be meaningful and you're getting a lot of good stuff from it. So let's go ahead and look at we're going to have our uh, discussion, developmental task for adults across cultures, because we have different constructs or thoughts about society and the way things are supposed to take place based on culture. It's just a phenomenon that happens, and we can learn a lot when we start looking across cultures. We can grow. That's how we grow, and that's how we learn things. So it's going to be an interesting discussion here. And let's take a look at our naturalistic observation that is due on Monday. This one, try not to read too much into it. I know it could be kind of difficult um, to not kind of overthink this, but if you just go here to your naturalistic observation and give you the overview, and then it talks about the observations that you make and what you're going to do for each set. Like here we go. Should have had that up for you already. My apologies. We'll bring that up and then bring it over to our page here. So the best thing that you could do is just follow this stage of life, toddler, list of social observation, emotional observations, and cultural observations. So you can just follow this template and it should walk you through the whole process. And you don't have to write in any special type of psychology ease or anything else. Just write your observations down. And, what do you see? Because we learn a lot through psychology just by observing, because life doesn't happen in a lab. Life doesn't happen through a study. Life happens with all these different intricate parts and pieces pushing and pulling and creating different atmospheres, environments, and everything else. So we want to embrace those. We want to look at that in a natural environment, because that is what matters, and that's how psychology works. So with that said, there's a sample here as well that I want to show you, and it's coming. I'm going to bring it right over. Where'd it go? I lost it. Oh, there we go. Okay, Sally's student did it. So real quick, your abstract, that is never bold. Notice how it's not bold. And your keywords, couple keywords right there. You can even use these keywords. That's absolutely okay. Then take a look. Boom, there it is. So what did we pick? Infancy and toddler, social, emotional, behavioral observations, and boy toddlers are smaller than girl toddlers, but not by a significant amount. So you see, just natural language to write this up, write what you see. And the synergy paper, just a short paragraph there. Then preschool, normal synergy, so just a short, think of the synergy paper as, you're giving me a summary. Where were you? What were you doing? How that went. So it's just a short summary, and then we come up with each one. So all the way up through adolescence. So just go out, look, see, observe, and that's how we grow, and that's how we learn things. That's actually the first part of how psychology starts, just through observation. So I hope you enjoy this. It should actually be interesting. So I look forward to seeing what you come up with. Have a great week.